Hello, and welcome to the guided meditation on the Conscious Mind Short Meditation channel. I'm Jordi, and I'm very happy to have the opportunity to accompany you on this journey. Today, we will experience a special meditation session together, helping you connect with yourself and find deep inner peace. The goal of this meditation is to help you achieve total relaxation, release tension, and rejuvenate positive energy for your soul. Before we begin, I want to emphasize the importance of creating a quiet and comfortable space. Find a place where you can completely relax, free from distractions. This will make it easier for you to focus on each step of the meditation process. Now close your eyes and begin to take deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. Slowly exhale through your mouth, imagining that you are breathing out all the tension and anxiety. Continue to inhale, feeling a warm light spreading throughout your body, and exhale, allowing that light to dispel any pressure, bringing you peace and comfort. Now let's begin the journey of fully relaxing your body, helping you feel comfort and serenity from deep within. Let's start with your feet. Focus on your feet, feeling the contact with the ground or the surface you're lying on. Imagine your feet becoming heavier, sinking deeper into comfort. This feeling slowly spreads from your toes, through your feet, and gradually up your legs. Any tension in your calves, knees and thighs dissolves, leaving you feeling light and relaxed. Next, shift your attention to your abdomen and hips. Breathe deeply, feeling the warm golden light filling your abdomen. This breath not only brings peace, but also helps you fully relax your abdomen and hips. Each time you exhale, feel any tension, any pressure in your body gradually dissipating. Now focus on your back and arms. Imagine the golden light slowly moving along your spine, from your lower back up to your mid-back and shoulders. The sensation of relaxation spreads, soothing any tension in the muscles of your back and shoulders. Let this light continue down your arms to the tips of your fingers, bringing you a sense of lightness and ease. Finally, relax your neck, jaw, and face. Feel the golden light enveloping your entire face, helping you release the muscles around your neck, jaw, and forehead. Any tension, anxiety on your face is swept away, leaving you with peace and calmness in your mind. Now, we will begin a journey that leads you into a deeper state of relaxation, where you can explore and connect with your future self. Imagine that I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number I count, you will feel your body becoming lighter, your mind relaxing more, and you will go deeper into a state of relaxation. 10. Feel your body sinking deeper into the surface you are resting on. Every muscle, every cell is relaxing more deeply. 9. Each breath helps you relax more, sinking deeper into a sense of peace and tranquility. 8. A wave of relaxation is spreading throughout your body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. You are entering a state of complete stillness. 7. Let any remaining thoughts dissolve. Your mind becomes empty, clear and completely peaceful. 6. You feel a deep connection with yourself and this present moment. 5. Your body and mind are blending together, creating a perfect state of relaxation. 4 dots. You are sinking deeper into a state of hypnosis, a state of absolute peace. 3 dots. Any remaining tension in your body is dissolving, leaving a sense of serenity and lightness. 2. You are ready to connect with your future self, feeling the presence of the future. 1. You are now in the deepest state of relaxation, completely ready for the journey into the future. Imagine that you are stepping into a beautiful garden where all worries and tensions melt away. This is your own garden, a place where you feel safe, peaceful, and completely relaxed. Vibrant flowers, lush green grass, and gentle sunlight fill the garden, bringing you an absolute sense of peace. You feel a gentle breeze caressing your skin, the sound of birds singing in the air, and the peace spreading throughout your body. As you walk through the garden, you will see a path bathed in radiant golden light, leading you to a mysterious yet inviting door. This door is the gateway to your future. As you approach it, feel the warm, welcoming energy emanating from the door. Place your hand on the door. Feel it respond to your touch. And when you are ready, open it. Step across the threshold and enter your future world. This is where all your dreams and aspirations have become reality. Allow yourself to explore, feel, and interact with the surroundings. This is the life you have always desired. Now, invite your future self to appear. Observe the image of yourself in the future, a version that has achieved everything you've wished for. Ask them the questions you need answers to. Receive guidance and encouragement from your future self. Listen, feel, and let these messages blend into your soul, guiding you on your current path. Now that you have connected with your future self, take a moment to ask important questions. You might ask about significant decisions, important steps, or advice that your future self wants to share. Listen to the answers in whatever form they come: words, images, or feelings. Every answer you receive carries wisdom and deep understanding from your future self. After receiving the messages, repeat positive affirmations to reinforce your vision. You can say to yourself, "I am on the right path to achieving my dreams. Each day, I move closer to the future I desire." Or, "I trust in myself and the path I am choosing." Feel the power of these affirmations as they sink deeply into your soul, bringing you confidence and motivation. To anchor these positive feelings and visions, place one hand on your heart and the other on your abdomen. Feel the connection between your mind and body, and imagine that you are inhaling this golden light, letting it spread to every cell in your body. This light will hold your vision and positive feelings firm, helping you move forward with confidence and peace. Finally, as the meditation session comes to an end, express gratitude to your future self and your present self. Let these peaceful feelings accompany you as you drift into a deep and restorative sleep. Sleep well, knowing that you are on the path to a bright and promising future.